Bracket installation for the EVO SERVERY, Set D. SERVERY windows with the sash height of 1800mm and a width of up to 2 meters. Mounting the frame bracket. This is the window frame of the EVO SERVERY. Our bracket will sit flush against the jamb rebate. The center of this bolt will be 293mm from the edge of the head profile. This is known as A1. There are 4 holes that need to be drilled on the inside of the frame. They are all 6mm in diameter. The top 2 holes will be drilled 32.5mm from A1. This distance is known as F1. Drill a 6mm diameter hole 43mm from the rebate and on the F1 line. Drill a 6mm diameter inner hole 35mm from the outer hole. The bottom 2 holes are located 65mm from the top 2 hole center points. Drill a 6mm diameter outer hole 43mm from the jamb rebate and an inner hole 35mm from the outer hole. To finish, 4 holes must now be drilled in the same position on the outside of the frame to house the nuts for each bolt. These are to be 15mm in diameter and a depth of 10mm. The bracket can now be fixed to the frame. It should be flush against the jamb rebate. Repeat this process for the opposite side of the frame. Sash bracket installation, Set D. The sash bracket will sit flat against the sash rebate. The center of this bolt will be 1055mm from the edge of the sash frame. This is known as A2. To fix the sash bracket, there are 2 holes that need to be drilled per bracket. The first hole is drilled 1057mm from the edge, or 2mm from A2. This is known as S1. The second hole is drilled 31mm from S1. The center of both holes should be 11mm from the sash rebate. Mark the holes before removing the bracket. Drill 2 6mm diameter holes. Now, on the other side of the frame, drill 2 12mm diameter chamfers to support the countersink bolts. Then, refit the sash bracket. Using the supplied M6 bolts and nuts, fix the sash bracket to the frame. The sash bracket should now be fixed flush against the sash rebate. Repeat for the other side. This concludes our section on the Set D bracket installation. For further assistance, contact our friendly team.